BiKBBI's role in the installer show is important because they are so well respected in the industry. I think as an organisation they've got some great corporate sponsors, they've got their accreditation, which is important for the installer to have if they're working in the kitchens and bathroom space. Visitors will be able to see BiKBBI at the event, so that for one thing is quite exciting. They're going to be involved in the whole kitchens and bathrooms of the future experience. We've got lots of attractions that are going to be there, and they're going to be able to see BiKBBI doing talks and presentations and being involved, generally providing their expertise for the visitor. We're really excited to involve BiKBBI corporate sponsors in the event. We think that there's a great opportunity for them to meet the Installer Show audience, make connections, get leads, launch products. So we're really welcoming them to the show in much greater numbers than we would have done before. Well, over the years, kitchens and bathrooms has been something that installers have really wanted to see more of. It's in the top 5 of things that our visitors have asked for consecutively in the last 3 years. So we've seen a big increase in the number of certainly bathroom brands over the last couple of years that have joined, and now there's a real appetite for kitchen brands to join as well. I think this is different for 2024 than previous years, even 2023, by the just sheer scale. So we've incorporated a whole new hall which will have a bigger focus on kitchens and bathrooms. There will be tools, there will be kits, there will be offers, there will be seminars, so there's an awful lot that people can see specifically in that area. Exhibitors will be able to expect to see more visitors, so we're expecting 20,000 visitors for 2024 compared to 15,000 in 2023. There's generally going to be more stuff, there's more exhibitors, there's more speakers, there's more attractions, there's more sponsors, there's more media partners. So it's a case of more is more. But also I think we've tried to cluster things even more clearly so that the installer, the specifier, the designer, the retailer can find the bits that are going to be most appropriate for them. I think exhibitors should be aware of the fact that there are more areas that they can get involved in. So there is a new kitchens area that will cluster around us, or kitchens for the future attraction. We have got more partners involved that will drive a probably broader range of visitor. We're seeing more bigger businesses attend, so we're still retaining that core of installer and SME, but we're starting to see a lot more of the specification audience, developer audience, house builder audience. So I think exhibitors need to be prepared that they should bring their spec teams, that they should bring people that want to talk to that community, as well as the core community of the past, which would be just the sort of traditional installer.